This 2019 Ford F-150 is brought to you by Affinity Automotive Repairs and AMP Sales LLC. We can find you what you and AMP, number 39, you're looking for. Just call us and we can help you get started with our 5-step process. 1. Let us know what you're looking for. 2. We email you a list of available vehicles. 3. Place a small deposit to secure the vehicle of your choice. 4. We locate your vehicle, we do a quality check and service any minor repairs that we need. 5. Pick up and drive away happy. Visit us at affinityautomotive.com.